Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for those of you who are not in touch with their partners, for those of you who had a breakup or probably don't know what's going on. Let's see Gemini, what's going on. If it doesn't resonate with you, do check your moon and rising. You will just Google it. You'll find you will know how to find your moon and rising. Sometimes it just helps to get a clear picture. Okay, your own card. So Gemini, they are stuck on you. They really love you. They have a lot of emotions, a lot of passion for you. They are they really admire you. There's no words, no second thoughts. They want everything with you. They are just overflowing with emotions towards you. They really want to show you off to the world, is what they're feeling right now. And they're really holding on to you tight, to the feelings that are tight. I'm surprised that you guys are not in touch though, looking at their energy. What are you feeling? Because they are dying of love, if there is a phrase. Oh, Gemini, you want to end this? You don't want this because you feel this is not enough. You really want to move on from this. Or probably you already have. Once you had ended, I think you were like, I'm happy. I'm very happy where I am. I don't need this. You are focusing on your money, you are focusing on something else rather than this connection, clearly. What would they tell you if they come to you? What are they bound to or likely to tell you? Let's see. So they are bound to tell you that they have really thought about it a lot. They have really planned a lot. They are ready to really work hard on this connection. They are ready to, be the one that you want. They're ready to fight for you. They are ready to do anything that is possible. I think so. Some of you, they are in a third party situation, and that's why maybe you don't want it. And they are wanting to give you more attention than the other party, or probably. Let me clarify this, whether they want to leave the party or no. Yes, they want to. They want a fresh start with you. They want a balanced. They want to end that. They want to end it and begin with you, Gemini, very clearly. So let's see. It's a very clear cut reading. Very clear cut reading. Let's see. Let's take out one card that says yes or no. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection, Gemini? What is the future of this connection? No. It's a no. It's a no because the kind of hurt you've had, I think you don't want to experience that again. You don't trust it. Some of you have really gone through a trauma in this relationship. I think you've really experienced things that we don't want to experience. So I think for you, I think that is why maybe they're feeling a lot, because you've really moved on. So all the best for your future, and keep watching my channel. Do subscribe, and I'll meet you soon.